有請香港中文大學副校長霍啟輝教授致歡迎辭。有請霍教授。
禤永明副主席、各位嘉賓、各位朋友，我非常榮幸可以代表香港中文大學喺呢個大會嗰度開幕禮嗰度發言。咁大會吩咐我呢，我嘅發言呢係用英文，咁我就尊敬不如從命。咁以後呢，我就會以英語發言。Chairman, distinguished guests and speakers, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very pleased and honored to welcome you all to the 10th Mr. Stanley Ho Medical Development Foundation Symposium, organized by the Foundation and the Chinese University of Hong Kong. On behalf of the university, I would like to extend our warmest welcome to all speakers and participants of the symposium, which will undoubtedly enhance the application of advances in medicine for the management of many important local diseases. The Dr. Stanley Ho Medical Development Foundation was established in January 2005 with a generous donation by Mr. Stanley Ho. Its objective is to provide a platform for medical practitioners in Macau to acquire advanced professional knowledge. To achieve this objective, the Foundation has in the past 10 years organized a series of activities including healthcare courses, collaborative research projects, the Outstanding Achievement Award Scheme for healthcare workers, establishment of Healthland for Health exhibition, and the foundation of Macau Alzheimer's Disease Association. The annual medical symposium is the highlight of this series. All these activities have attracted tremendous interest and support from medical practitioners and other healthcare workers in Macau, Hong Kong, and mainland. The enthusiastic participation of the young healthcare professionals has been particularly overwhelming. As in past years, today's symposium covers a wide variety of medical advances. We are very fortunate to have many distinguished speakers to share their precious experience with us. Their support of the symposium is most appreciated. We are very grateful to the Dr. Stanley Ho Medical Development Foundation for its staunch support of lifelong continuing medical education. The Chinese University of Hong Kong is very fortunate and proud to be associated with the Foundation in promoting this great initiative. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my appreciation and gratitude to members of the organizing committee for the time and effort in putting together today's program. I wish you all a very enjoyable and fruitful symposium. Thank you very much. 謝謝。
多謝晒霍教授，請就座。現在係進行紀念品烹贈儀式，有請何鴻燊博士醫療拓展基金會行政委員會主席禤永明先生為我哋致送紀念品俾主禮嘉賓。有請。首先有請香港中文大學副校長霍啟輝教授上台接受。多謝晒霍教授，請就座。接住有請澳門大學校長趙偉教授上台接受。多謝趙教授，請就座並請禤生留步，為我哋致送紀念品俾是次研討會嘅贊助單位。有請工銀澳門副行政總裁鄭永輝先生代表接受。多謝晒兩位，請兩位就座。接住有請香港中文大學副校長霍啟輝教授為我哋致送紀念品俾今日研討會嘅主持人。 有請香港中文大學生命科學學院胡錦生客座教授。多謝胡教授，請就座。接住有請仁伯爵綜合醫院胸肺科主任張德雄醫生。多謝張醫生，請就座。接住我哋有請實踐大學董事長謝孟雄教授。多謝晒霍教授及謝教授，請就座。接住有請香港中文大學生命科學學院胡錦生客座教授為我哋頒贈紀念品俾今日嘅主講嘉賓。首先有請香港中文大學內科及藥物治療學系腎臟科司徒卓進教授。多謝司徒教授，請就座。接住有請香港中文大學內科及藥物治療學系內分泌及糖尿科馬青雲教授。多謝馬教授，請就座。跟住有請香港中文大學何鴻燊呼吸內科教授、何鴻燊防治傳染病研究中心主任、內科及藥物治療學系呼吸系統科主任許樹昌教授。多謝許教授，請就座。接住有請廈門大學醫學院副院長黃延輝教授。多謝黃教授，請就座。跟住有請香港中文大學矯形外科及創傷學系系主任鄭振輝教授、鄭振耀教授。多謝鄭教授，請就座。接住有請香港中文大學婦產科學系系主任梁德陽教授。多謝梁教授，請就座。有請香港中文大學精神科學系系主任林翠華教授。多謝林教授，請就座。最後我哋有請台大醫學院精神科廖仕晴臨床助理教授。多謝晒兩位，請兩位留步進行大合照嘅。咁跟住啦，我哋有請咁多位信託委員會以及行政委員會成員、研討會主持人及主講嘉賓移步台前進行大合照，有請咁多位。